going on YouTube? It's Alex here with Present Moment Photographs, and today we're out in Sedona. Right now we're currently at the top of Hangover Trail, and we're going to bring you guys along for the journey today. We're gonna get near the top, and wow, we're getting some amazing views. Definitely out of breath, but gotta keep on pushing. All right, we made it to this first top part. Wow, beautiful. Out there, all around. Wow. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like the video if you liked it, and hope you got something out of it. And also, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure to do that. And I'll be coming out with plenty more videos, so I hope you guys will be around for the next one.